Did you know that what you eat can impact the strength of your bones? It's true. Our bones are living tissues that constantly rebuild themselves, and the nutrients we consume play a crucial role in this process. While calcium is often highlighted as the key nutrient for bone health, it's not the only one. There are a variety of superfoods that are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can significantly enhance bone strength and overall health. For instance, leafy greens like kale and spinach are excellent sources of calcium and vitamin K, both of which are vital for bone health. Vitamin K helps in the formation of bone proteins and reduces calcium loss. Additionally, fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel are rich in vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, which aid in calcium absorption and reduce inflammation, respectively. Nuts and seeds, particularly almonds and chia seeds, provide magnesium and phosphorus, essential minerals that support bone density. Fruits like oranges and berries are loaded with vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen formation, a protein that gives bones their flexibility and strength. Moreover, antioxidant-filled foods help combat oxidative stress, which can weaken bones over time. Alright then, let's break down the top 10 superfoods you must try for optimal bone strength. These superfoods not only support bone health, but also contribute to overall well-being. From dairy products to legumes, each of these foods offers unique benefits that can help you maintain strong and healthy bones. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses for bone health. They're brimming with vitamin K, which helps calcium bind effectively and build a strong framework. Whether in a salad, sautéed, or in a smoothie, include leafy greens in your diet every day. Almonds are packed with bone-boosting nutrients like magnesium and phosphorus. Magnesium helps your body absorb and utilize calcium effectively. Phosphorus works with calcium to build and maintain strong bones and teeth. Plus, almonds provide plant-based protein, essential for maintaining bone density. Salmon is a superstar for bone health, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, crucial for strong bones, while vitamin D helps absorb calcium. Make salmon a regular part of your diet for optimal bone health. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium and vitamin D. Calcium provides the building blocks for strong bones, and vitamin D helps absorb it. Consuming dairy regularly ensures you're getting both nutrients for healthy bones. Figs are a delicious superfood high in calcium and potassium. Potassium helps counteract the calcium-depleting effects of a high-sodium diet. Enjoy figs regularly to help your body retain more calcium. Oranges are a juicy superfood that boosts collagen production with vitamin C. Collagen forms the framework of our bones, providing strength and flexibility. Reach for an orange to give your bones a vitamin C boost. Soybeans and soy products like tofu and tempeh are rich in isoflavones. Isoflavones mimic estrogen, helping to maintain bone density. Incorporate soybeans into your diet to potentially boost bone density. Nuts and seeds like chia and flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium. Omega-3s and magnesium help your body absorb and utilize calcium effectively. Include these small but mighty superfoods in your diet for strong bones. Sweet potatoes are a delicious superfood rich in manganese. Manganese is essential for bone cartilage and collagen formation. Enjoy sweet potatoes regularly for strong and healthy bones. Broccoli is a powerhouse for bone health, rich in vitamin K, calcium, and sulforaphane. Vitamin K helps calcium bind effectively, while sulforaphane increases bone density. Make broccoli your best friend for optimal bone health. There you have it, your ultimate guide to the top 10 superfoods for bone strength. Get creative in the kitchen and find delicious ways to enjoy these bone-boosting wonders. Share your favorite bone-strengthening recipes in the comments below.